Hi, I've been thinking about writing reviews for my site. I want to insert actual product photos to those reviews. Can I just copy those images directly from competitor sites and put credits in the alt text, or is that risky?
So it happens all the time. Let's start there. Legally, technically, it's not the right thing to do. I forget the name of the company that owns like 90% of all the images on the web, but they used to send out emails to people saying them to cease and desist using an image that was theirs. Now that's for like just general images of people. If you're talking about products, right, like you're trying to write a review on a specific product, then it's probably going to depend more upon the manufacturer. They may have their own product library, images of library of images that people can use. You may only be able to legally use them with permission. Sometimes, there's a place called Creative Commons. I believe it's creativecommons.org. And you can also do, let me see if I can do, I think Google search still has this. If you go to Google and let me just, we'll just say, what's a good product here? Give me a product here. Back scratcher. I have a back scratcher on my desk though.
Are you wanting to be sharing your screen there, Steve-O?
Oh, it would help to do that, wouldn't it? Thanks, Sean. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. Okay. So like here's a picture of or several pictures of a back scratch, right? It's on Amazon. I mean, you probably wouldn't want to go off to Amazon and steal those pictures or copy those pictures. Here's like a Walmart one because you don't know if Walmart's copyrighted those or not. So it would definitely be better to do that. Now, if you go into, I believe it's in Tools and Advanced Search, okay? In Advanced Search, under Back Scratcher, you're going to find usage rights down here. And under usage rights, you can say free to use or share, free to use or share even commercially. So if you're actually going to use it in like to sell it, you're using it commercially, you can do that. So let's just go with that one, right? You can even free to use, share, or modify. This will actually let you take the image and switch it up a little bit, change it up a little bit. I think as you get further down the list, you're going to get fewer and fewer options. So if you try the free to use or share even commercially and hit advanced search with the back scratcher, so here you're getting some stuff here that might give you the ability. Now it's a little bit more difficult here because there's all these other words that are on printables and Wiktionary and whatnot. But these are ones that you might be able to use. You should also potentially be able to go to images and tools, and here's usage rights right there, okay? You can say Creative Commons license, right? Commercial and other licenses. So you go like that, back scratcher. So these could very well be, so this is licensable on this one. Some require you to just put in attribution, right? You say who the image is taken by, who it's from. So there is there's a right way to do it, right? Which is kind of to license it or to use an image that's already available for licensing. Again, you can pick the type of art you're using. Creative Commons is another one, like I said, that you can license, although you'll see here when you do it, you don't really get most of the best pictures. And that's kind of nasty, by the way, if you ask me. You might not get your best beta. So finding stuff that is licensable in the commercial and other licenses is going to be a better bet to do it legally. But, if you go to a manufacturer whose product that you're reviewing, 9 times out of 10 or more, you're not going to get any kind of real trouble. And if you do get into any kind of real trouble, it's normally going to be like a cease and desist, like please remove the image kind of thing. So, it's kind of up in the air on that. It's not quote unquote legal. At the same time, it's not something that most manufacturers are going to be up your butt about either. So for a product, it's probably a little bit different than if you were just looking for a regular image of something else, which is again, I can't remember the name of the company. It's with a G, who owns the majority.
Getty
Getty,
Images.
thank you. Getty Images, thank you. That's it. I see you got your back scratcher. Yeah, shall we both? Shall we both grab our back scratchers? Here we go. I get my back scratcher in there. This is where we got back scratching from.
I was working for a guy, and he had I think a graphic artist take an image from somewhere that he wasn't supposed to and incorporated it into, I think, just like on a TV in a bigger image, but like just put it on the TV. And
Yep.
Getty's, technology
Yeah.
saw that and sent him a demand letter for $4,000
Yep.
for using their image.
And that's what they were doing too. They weren't even sending a cease and desist. They're like, you owe us money. You're using our images illegally. And so that's the thing. Like, I haven't seen it in a long time. Like this Getty bot, it was just a robot, a spider that was going out and looking for licensed images of Gettys that people were not, legally using. So, yeah, just be careful of using any image off the web that you didn't get permission to use. But again, that being said, tons of people do it. It happens all the time. So but you're taking a chance. So hopefully that answers the question.